Welcome dear students to my online class. First of all, I want to introduce myself before you. I'm Pradeep Kumar Sarkar, Assistant Teacher, Bakri ML Secondary School, Agarkhan Bagarpura, Jashore. Subject English, first paper, class 8. Let us watch some pictures and try to say what's our today's topic. Dear students, what do you see on the screen? You can see a lot of pictures in this screen. First picture, it's dirty body. Next picture, unclean hand. And next picture, impure water. And last picture, you can see dirty teeth. Now, in this slide, you can see washing hand, brushing teeth, cleaning hair and body, drinking clean water. All these things are very important for our good health. And in this slide, you can see a lot of pictures. Can you guess our today's lesson? Our today's lesson is hygiene, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Learning outcomes. After this lesson, the students will be able to use some new words, read the text with correct pronunciation, say the importance of cleanliness, write a paragraph of hygiene. First of all, we want to know some word meanings. Germs. Germ means germs are those things which can make us sick and which cannot be seen without microscope. Germs are four types: bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. Next word, dust. Dust means a small particle of matter. Spiritually, a religious process of reforming a person mentally. Next word, acid. Acid means get, কোনো কিছু পাওয়া। Hygiene. Hygiene অর্থ practice of keeping clean. Godliness. Next word. Hygiene অর্থ neatness and cleanliness. সব কিছু পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন রাখাই হাইজিন। স্বাস্থ্যতত্ত্ব যেটা, ব্যাকটেরিয়া, germ of disease. Clean mean free from dirt. Dirt means filth. Next word, soul. Soul means the spiritual element. Next word, shops. Protect. Protect means keep safe. Now the students, আমরা এখন প্যাসেজটি পড়ব এবং প্যাসেজ পড়ে আমরা অনুধাবন করব এই স্বাস্থ্যবিধি সম্পর্কে। The word hygiene means the practice of keeping ourselves clean. It also means to keep our home and workplace clean. It is important for our good health. Hygiene is next to be godliness. It is because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally or spiritually if we are unclean in our body and mind and soul. Nobody likes an unclean person either, so we must follow the rules of hygiene. First, we must keep our body clean. We should have a bath every day and wash hair regularly. This will keep the body free from dirt and bacteria. In this slide, secondly, we should wash our clothes regularly. Dirty clothes give off bad smell and invite germs. We should wear socks and shoes when we go out to protect our feet free from dust and germs. It is also important to wash our hands before meals and after using the toilet. In this picture, you can see a baby is brushing his teeth and an adult person who is cutting his nail. These are also very important for our good health. We should brush our teeth twice a day after breakfast and supper. We must also cut our nails regularly. তোমরা এই স্লাইডে দেখতে পাচ্ছ এখানে অনেকগুলো জিনিস আছে এবং এটা একটা চুল্লি, এটা একটা শিশু জল পান করছে এবং এখানে আছে একজন শিশু যার হাতে একটা নোংরা পাত্র আছে। Our drinking water must be safe. We can get safe water by boiling and filtering. Finally, we should keep our environment and surroundings clean. আমরা আমাদের চারিপাশ পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন রাখব, যেটা আমাদের স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য অত্যন্ত জরুরি এবং খুবই প্রয়োজন। If we do and follow all the above things properly, we will be able to lead a healthy and happy life. যদি আমরা উপরের কাজগুলো সঠিকভাবে সুন্দরভাবে করতে পারি তাহলে আমরা সুখী ও সুন্দর জীবন যাপন করতে পারি। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই এতক্ষণ যে প্যাসেজ পড়া হলো তার থেকে অনুধাবন করতে পেরেছ যে স্বাস্থ্য সচেতনতা এবং স্বাস্থ্যবিধি কী, বা স্বাস্থ্যবিধি আমরা মেনে চললে আমাদের কি হবে এবং কি হবে না। এখন মূল্যায়ন, তোমাদের কাছে আমি সত্য মিথ্যা যাচাই করব। আমরা এই প্যাসেজ সম্পর্কে কি জানতে পারলাম? ট্রু অর ফলস? If false, give the correct answer. Page no 21. Number 1. Cleanliness is a part of good health. Is it true or wrong? Yes, your answer is correct. It's true. Question number 2. Cleanliness is very important for mental health. Thank you. Your answer is also correct. It's also true. Question number 3. We need to wear socks and shoes to look smart. It's false. Yes. Number 4. We need to brush our teeth before meals. This question is also false. Number 5. We should not keep our environment clean. This statement is also false. Number 6. We must keep ourselves clean. Yes, your answer is correct. It's true. Number 7. We can have pure drinking water from tube wells. Yes, your answer is also correct. It's also true. Now, there are 6 questions in this slide. You will have to write now the answer of this question. Number 1. What can be a hotbed of germs? Number 2. What does hygiene mean? Number 3. How many items should we brush our teeth a day? What kind of water should we drink? How can we keep ourselves bacteria free? And number 6, why should we keep our environment clean? Okay, dear students, I think that you have finished your answer. Thank you everybody. Now, homework. Write the summary of the passage about 50 words. ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, তোমরা বাড়িতে স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে চলো এবং নিরাপদে থাকো, এটাই আশা করি। এবং আজকের মতো এখানেই ক্লাস শেষ করছি। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি।